Hokkaido is the second largest and the northernmost island of Japan and famous for its beautiful landscape including towering mountains and colder lakes. In this episode, I'm gonna travel to Otaru, which is a popular tourist destination for its beautiful canal, music box museum, and sushi. So be prepared for the fabulous sceneries, the nature, and delicious food of Hokkaido. Leaving Shakotan behind, we are now heading to Otaru.
이쪽으로 그냥 계속 찍어도 계속 예쁘네. 지금 아까 전에 왔을 때랑 바다 색깔이 완전히 다르다.
색깔이 달라.
Everybody have their own favorite music lists for driving, but in this peaceful atmosphere, I think Japanese city pop is the perfect music. And yes, I admit again that I do like Japanese music. And yes, directly speaking, I do like Japanese food. City pop genre represents the 1980s spirit of Japan's bubble economy. It's also appealing for its optimism, joys, and happiness of bubble generation people enjoying their fortunes without worries. Well, just listen to the song.
네, 저는 지금 오타루에 도착해서 다시 또 가보고 있습니다.
So, we arrived at Otaru, but the time was already 4:30. Almost all shops and restaurants of Otaru closed at 6 p.m. We definitely ran out of time. In my case, this is my third time in Otaru, but my buddies were first here. So, let's hurry up to enjoy all the charms of Otaru in 1.5 hours. Okay, here is to-do list. Number 1, sushi. Number 2, music box museum and crafts. Number 3, sweets. Number 4, Otaru Kano. So we are running out of time, but all three of us were terribly hungry. When you're hungry, all the sceneries and impressions of the journey become meaningless. Remember, eating comes first. So when it comes to sushi, Otaru is one of the most famous cities in Japan. Because you can get fresh fishes from the sea, there are many sushi restaurants with history owned by masters of sushi. It is also known as a stage of stories from the Japanese comic book Shota no Sushi. Look at that. It's too bad that we had to finish sushi so quickly. So, we got the sushi right, but 30 minutes have passed already. Next destination is
오르골.
Inside of the museum, there are tons of music boxes everywhere. You might be surprised that there are so many music boxes with various designs and sizes, from cute ones to old-fashioned ones. So be careful not to spend too much in shopping. Uh-oh, I guess I'm late though. What was next? Sweets?
역시 스위치.
Otaru is also very famous for the sweets and pastries. World-famous Japanese pastry shops such as Lu Tao are from Otaru. You can buy the limited editions for souvenir or enjoy free tasting corners. It's almost 6 p.m. and stores are closing now. I was so busy introducing many places of Otaru to my friends in a short period of time. And now, we are heading to our final destination, Otaru Kano. On the way back to the canal, we found the glasscraft workshop, which was not closed yet. Inside of the workshop, there were no other people but us. For a moment, I was attracted by the gorgeous glasscrafts and the sound of the small bells ringing. Because of the quiet and cozy atmosphere, I felt calm and safe again. Every time I go to Otaru Canal, it reminds me of the old Japanese movie Love Letter by Iwai Shunji. Probably you already know the movie because of the famous quote, "O genki desu ka?"
小樽だったんですか？どの辺ですか？小樽の。
The movie shows the beauty of Otaru City, so I recommend you to watch it before you come here. Otaru Canals runs alongside the harbor and it is quite short, about 1 kilometer. The old-fashioned buildings and the calm surface of water give you a very unique impression. Night view with the lights is more beautiful, and in winter with the snow, even more. But unfortunately, it is time to go back to Sapporo for other things to do.
또 밤에 삿포로시의 이제 중심에 있는 오도리 공원에 또 나왔습니다.
Now we are back in Sapporo Central Park. In Sapporo, Japan's most biggest beer festival is held here every summer. You can enjoy all kinds of Japan's domestic beer and brands from other countries. Since we spent too much time in Otaru, it's already 8 o'clock. I should hurry to the tasting booths before it's too late.
혹시 마지막 한 잔 얻어먹을 수 있을지 모르니까
It was almost 9, but there were so many people left drinking beers. So I thought I could enjoy some beer before closing, but
もう間もなく会場内の照明を落とさせていただきますのでご了承ください。
damn, they're even turning the lights off to make people go home. I guess I can't drink beers from the festival this year.
이만 단념하고 적당한 데 찾아서 야식 먹고 술 한잔하고 해야겠습니다.
Leaving the regret behind, we decided to have some soup curry before all the restaurants are closed.
지아야.
Soup curry is Sapporo's signature food. The usual Japanese style curry looks like a potage, but Sapporo soup curry looks more like a consomme. You might know the difference certainly if you try both. Before the dish is served, you should have a beer first. Yeah, that's the rule here in Sapporo. You can order your own soup curry of your taste by adding various ingredients.
미국이 뭔가 했다. 미국식이라는 건가 뭐지?
Rice is generally served with curries, but I recommend you try adding ramen noodle here. It's really good. Beer and soup curry. What a wonderful combination for the end of the day. Thank you for watching and see you in the next episode.